Hello all, welcome back. So I know majority are waiting to see me on today's section. At yesterday's section, some fevers and we doesn't learn completely yesterday's section. So today we will be going to program with AI. Okay, so artificial intelligence. So today computer will write programs for us. Okay, it will be a very interesting task, and if computer will write the program, I will give the link for that. Okay, there's a link that's I will just try this link. I will now give you a link. With that link, you can program with AI. Okay. So, without signing in, you can program. I will give it like that type of link. So, this is the link. So, this link, I think we doesn't need to sign in. Okay. There is a stage for you, and to the stage you can chat. So this selling we will be sharp beginning at 9 o'clock. Okay. So I am just saying my timetable once more. At every Tuesday we will be learning Python, Thursday web development, and Friday about like this programming game development. So now it's sharp 9 o'clock and now let's start. Okay. So for that just press on the link on my comment box. So you will get like this type of window. So today we will be programming with Po AI system. It's powered by OpenAI, and for some AI platforms we want to give money. I think it's free. Okay, so it can tell us a wide range of answers. Programming with AI, so it can tell us answers of any categories, any difficult questions, any difficult categories. You know what's artificial intelligence? Okay, so we are humans and we have a good type of intelligence, and that's into thousand the computer have the intelligence. So we are using the computer intelligence for today's programming and getting the results, and now many companies have switched to AI. So because of that many employers job has been gone, like that there was some problems also there, because AI can work better than human. AI can work 24 into 7 without any rest. Only it needs some money. Okay, some money means some AIs are free, but we need internet. Yeah, for that internet we need money. Okay, so with that AI you can solve very tough maths problems and etc. Okay, is AI is very helpful. It will be helping you for the maths doubts. If you want, if you doesn't know how to solve a maths question, it will help. If you doesn't know how to write a program, it will write a program for you. You just want to tell it in defined manner. Okay, so not like this. Write a program. No, no, no. If we give it like that, it will write a simple, humble program. And if we need to get a good program, we need to use it in a high manner. Okay, we want to give him the instructions in the correct manner. Then only it can give you the correct results. Okay, for giving it a correct results, we need to give it in a correct manner. So if we give him that type of program, it will not give. So we need to ask type a program, type a Python or HTML program. In that program, when we type hello, we need to get how are you result, like that type of. We need to give defined questions, then he will be giving defined answers. So the link which I have posted in the chat now with the live chat, if you're yeah, if you're seeing it now, just see it. Okay, if you are seeing the recorded section, you can see on the live chat section. Okay, so now I have posted a link on the chat. With this chat, you can program with a. I will post it once again. Okay, with that you can program a lot. Okay, so it doesn't require to sign in a lot. Oh, okay, so I will send it now. So it's not that I got a other. So I will give you the correct link. So its link is poi.com/sage. So it's this link. I will now paste it on the chat box. It's the link. Okay. So now let's start programming with this. So it can solve any type of questions. Okay. Can solve any type of questions, big questions and all. So the sage will be better. Okay, I say that inside this there's many options like sage and others. This bot is powered by a OpenAI, so it's also powered by a famous platform called OpenAI. So it can help you a lot. Okay, it's powered by OpenAI. So there is other bots also, but with that AI systems, you can't get this much of accurate answers. Okay, so I recommend to use the Sage. Okay, so I have given the link. So now let's learn how to give instructions to him. So for that, just press on this talk to Sage button. You can use it in the same mobile phone, laptop, or etc. So when you are pressing this, there will be an option to signing in, and just press on continue with the Google, and just log in with your mail address. So I have choose the mail ID. It's not redirecting for a while. Okay, so now I have pressed my mail ID. So it will be redirected. So you will get like this type of window. See here. This will be the things. So here are many types of words. GPT-4. Here at side. If you open on mobile phones, you can't see this side items. But if you open on a laptop, you can see like this type of a big window. Here, create a bot, GPT. So these all have limited access, and the scrolled instant have will not be that much of fast. Okay, it's powered by OpenAI ChatGPT. So it has unlimited access, but this GPT-4 has limited access. Claude Plus has limited access. Claude Instant 100K has limited access. So it has unlimited access. So here are many buttons. Okay. So here there is share button, like button, dislike button. So if you doesn't like, you can give dislike. If you're bored, you can talk with him. Okay, good in other than languages. So it can talk in other languages also, but English is best for him. Okay, so we can share his results also. So now if I want to first let's see. So I want to get I want to get a question, a max problem solved with the chat. So with the AI. So I want to get. So I have a big doubt in max. Okay, so I am giving it if x equal to 10, what will be y? So I am giving him like this type of question. Let's see his answer. Okay, so at here you can see that our question has a mistake. So, so let's give here a other question. Okay. Hmm. If Raju want to divide his lunch to three persons called Jonu, Sonu Kunu. If he if he share 10% of lunch to this lunch. Hmm. So we want to give like this defined, okay, and make sure that it's not spelling mistake. Percentage of lunch to these three persons. How much lunch will be left in her left? Much lunch you and says. So we have given here the question. So let's see now if Raju shares. See, we got the correct answer. See, so I will read it. If Raju wants to share 10% of his lunch among Jonu, Sonu, and Kunu, then he will be sharing a total of 30%, 10% to each person. Therefore, the amount of lunch left after sharing 10% with the person would be 70% of the original amount. For example, if Raju had 1 kilo of lunch, then after sharing 10% with each person, he would have shared a total of 0.1 kilo. That's 10 percentage of 1 kilogram with all three persons, leaving him with 0.9 90 percentage of 1 kilo of lunch. So see this, we have got the correct result. How much of fast? Yeah, with the steps we have got. So here are some more questions also if we want to ask, and if we like this answer we can share this answer to everybody, or just copy this and share this answer to everybody. So it will be both helpful for teachers and students. Okay, if we have any tough question in any content, it it will solve it. Okay, so now if we want, I will ask a tough doubt. Hmm, how to make a computer. So I am asking him how to make a computer. See this. Dun, dun, dun. We have got the steps. See how much of steps we have got here. We will be getting the correct result. Okay. So for example, if I am going to ask him how to make a tech plans. So I have asked like this type of questions. So here I got the result, how the preparation, everything I have got here. So I need a other method. So tell other method. So just to give like that, he will saying other method. See, and then and I need tell author method. It can give lakhs, millions of and infinity results. Okay, so it will be giving you the perfect answer forever. Nobody can give you this much of perfect answers. Okay, so not scrolling down. Okay, so it can solve any type of questions. Okay, don't just worry with it. See this, how much of questions he has asked. So now we are going to programming with him. So before that, let's give him one more question. So I need to get a speech. Prepare. Okay. Prepare. So we want to give everything defined. Okay. For a perfect answer. Okay. So when I give to tell me more, I have got other many results. See this. Same. Okay. So we have got the steps also. So prepare a speech for speech for let's prepare a speech for coding. Just to give him the result. Say this. he have write me the he write me for the he gave me the result of he gave me the speech of how to code. So when you're searching on the Google and when you're preparing the speech, if it's a speech competition, the same person might be on Google. Yeah. So if you write on AI will give different answers for different persons. Okay. So now let's program. So let's learn how to program with AI. So have you liked AI? Hmm. Any doubts? You can give any type of questions. Okay. We can give any type of big doubts, no problem. Okay, so now let's continue. So now let's see programming. So for testing our programs, just open a platform called with that you can test your programs very easily. Search.google.com. From that just press on this button and choose your own mail IDs. And now at here you can do press on a blank. At here, this is the best way to check. Okay, so like this, take it. So here might be there is ads. A good plan. Okay, so I'm giving here make a snake game when press. Okay, so I want let's give a easy task. Okay, so now just observe this. Hope you have observed it. Have you tried a program? Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, so now continue. So I want to create a program. Idea. Make an amazing HTML game with high graphics. So I am giving him a like that type of question. Okay, amazing game with the HTML. So I haven't tell him about which game or what, but he will make a good program. Okay. He's saying the steps for creating the program. Okay. So that's we want to define it thoroughly. Then only he will give us the correct result. Okay. So now make a HTML game in which HTML game in which they want to be a button in center when and a comma when pressed on that button it want to show welcome message. So so like this you want to ask him the question. Okay, so in this format we want to ask him the question. We want to tell him very detailed. Okay, so for getting a detailed answer, so I have given, see, he has given me the code. He is typing the code for me. Oh. Okay, so it has made the game. So it has tell me the explanation also how to create it. Okay. So now you have a doubt that. Oh, is it a good? No, let's try. Your doubt, yeah. So we are going to try this. Just now. For trying that, copy our code. Just press on right click and press on copy message, and it will be copied and go to Google Sites and press on this embed and press on this embed code, and now just paste it. Okay, the mother message also came here, so that just let's erase that. Otherwise our program might be in error. That much only. So now it's ready. Now let's test it. So here it's the platform created by AI. So now let's see the preview. So here we can see the message called click me, and when I click welcome to the game. So as we have given the instruction here, see, it want to show welcome message. I only gave him a instruction called welcome message. He gave the instruction called welcome to the game. In a what a beautiful manner he have designed. Yeah. So now you have understand the functions of AI. So AI can do anything. Okay. It can do anything. See, he have now typed a code for us. So like this, if we give a detailed like paragraph type of question, detailed instruction about our game, it will give us the perfect. It will allow Java, C++, and every platforms, Python and everything. Okay. So now, and so like this, you can make him to write the codes. Okay. So now I will make a HTML game in which they want to be a man, a player in center, and when he when we press on the man, he wants to move forward. Okay, so like this we have given. So now let's give set background, set high graphics background. Okay, so I have given like this type of question and I have sent. So like this, if we type a big, so if we type a big paragraph about her describing about our game, we will get the game. Okay. So now it's created. Let's press on stop. Then he will stop. If he did not want to get his explanation, just press on stop. Now let's try it. Okay. Now when I'm trying it. Okay. So now when we are getting to the preview, see the result. So it doesn't moving. No longer available. So it's some programs will be available for some times. So now you see that how AI can type our things. Okay, so it has redirected us to other platforms also. Background image, that background image you got us here. Yeah, so it can set high quality backgrounds and everything. Okay, if we like this, just to give a like. So giving the feedbacks will give us everything. We can also create a bot like this and we can earn. That all we will be learning on next sections. So as it's Friday, I will be live till 45 till 9:45 for doubt solving and etc. So now if you have any doubts you can type here now. If no doubts, if the doubts solved early, let's go for other programs. Can we make okay? So the doubt written by Arjun is tutor, can we make games like GTA 5 with this AI? So if you give a detailed paragraph or a detailed big paragraph about that game, it will make it. Okay, so sometimes there will be some background errors. Okay, there's a chance. Okay, so it can make it. So next doubt. Tutor, can we make Minecraft type games? Yeah, surely we can make like that type of games when we give a detailed paragraph. Okay, hope it's clear. So, any more doubts? Please comment first. Or no more doubts? Let's continue. Okay, so now let's continue. So now it can prepare anything. So if you are, if you are, if you are making a reel. Okay, so it can give you a content. If you are searching for a content for your YouTube videos, if you are a YouTuber and you are putting the YouTube videos, if you did not have a content, it will give you content. Give you want to give him an instruction like this. Give me a text content. Give me a tech content for my YouTube channel. So like this, when you give, he will be giving you the content. See, you can the tech for tech. See, he have given the title also, title, description, everything. He doesn't stop till now. Okay, now it's stopped. See, at here he has given us a things like the future of artificial intelligence. So that was our new content. He has given us a standard content and the conclusion, everything, security, is like everything, the full content for the video. Okay. Tell so if you doesn't like their content, You can give him tell me author content. See the rise of blockchain technology, its applications, many things it can give you. Okay, so now it can give you the speeches and everything. Okay, so today for doubt solving, I will be here till at every Fridays I will be here till 45 9:45. Okay, so like this, AI can solve anything. Okay, so now AI can suggest for many things. So other doubt have came here. Can AI suggest or review products? Okay, so AI is not at all perfect for reviewing the products, but some products it will review, but some products in some particular stores it can't. I will show you. I will give the question. So I have given here a question. See, as AI mode languages, I cannot provide a specific for a specific product. Okay, so see, at here it had give you the best result forever. See this. So that it can't review a things. But if it's a top thing, it can review. I will say, tell me a review about one about HP probably. See, it has given here a review. So when it can give a review for the top products like laptops, mobile phones, and etc. Okay, it will be giving you this. Okay, see this. We are getting the review. How fast? Do can we type these things with this time? Can we just voice type these things with this time? See this how fast it has been kept. So that's AI. Okay, that's AI. The power of AI you have seen now. So with this AI we can create many things. Okay. So it can find the platforms for everything for a job and everything. So if you are so it's the best platform for everything. So AI, with this, we have learned about the main functions of AI. Artificial intelligence can solve many things. So today we have learned programming with AI. I will be here till 9:45 for doubt solving. So any doubts? Okay. So do the programs written by AI got it? Sometimes, in some cases, it might be getting error. Yeah, there is a chance. It's correct. Okay, so hope this much is clear. So the platform which we are using is POE, a platform called POE. So with this is Sage Talk. There's Chat DPD, everything. I will show you. Say this. It's their pricing. 7 days, till 7 days, it will be for free. And then see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 19,900 per year. 61,658 per month. See this. So it can make videos, but it's very costly. Okay, so now let's go with Chat DPT. It's a chat DPD. It's like same. It can do like him. That Sage. So I'm saying that this. See, we have got the correct result here, like that. See here. Okay. So it will be giving the result. So Sage will be more fast. Okay. And majority doesn't know the Sage. The AI system called Sage. Majority doesn't know. So that majority will not be taking from this. From ChatGPT, someone will be taking about speeches. So if you are taking from this platform, it will be some more good. I suggest. So here is there is if you are using a system, there's Android app for it. Okay, so with this it can give you the result very fast. So now it's doubts time. Please give your doubts. Okay, doubts are coming. I will solve it. Some more doubts. Only 5 doubts. When it reaches to 10 doubts, I will solve one by one. 8 doubts. Okay, 10 doubts. Okay. So the first doubts, let's go on. Is when we buy the purchased, when we buy it with the money, is there any use? Any special advantages? There are only a few special advantages when we pay and use like GPT for and all. There is some special uses like majority will not get error. There is like that type of special uses are there. It can create videos. That's all. So this stage will be average. Okay. So now, can it create software? Sure, it can create a software. So I will show you. Software like Windows. Say we have got the. So we want to write a program. So we want to include the code called write a program. So we want to include like this type of program. Write a program to make a software like Windows. See here as given. So he can develop the softwares. Okay. See now you can see the result here. See. Okay, so now you have understand your doubts result. Okay. So any class after any doubts after class you can just tell me with my mail ID. So now let's continue. So if there want to be special messages, let's give some other things like variety things. Okay, let's ask if you are bored. It can remove your boredom. So if you are bored, just give him I am Bored. Sorry. So he will be giving you some results. Tell me some. See, it has given many ways to give to make you boredom free. So I'm giving it. Tell me some jokes. So my boredom will go. So I have given here him. See, here is there are many jokes also he can say. See, like why don't X tell jokes? Because they crack each other up. See, like this you can see many jokes, and it can give me a special action story. So it can give you a story. If you are going to create, if you are wishing to create a short film or etc., it can give you the story like this. See how fast he is typing. Can we voice type like this? Just so it can do everything very fast within seconds. See AI's power. See, so we have got the result. So make a roll. So I'm writing here. Make a moral story for short film. If you want to make a short film, you can give like this question. See, they have given the story. See, we have got a moral story also, the best moral story, and it can read it also. I will make him read. Okay, so like this you can do it. So I will be here till 4 more minutes. Any more doubts? So here, if you want to give me a story, a comedy story, comedy for it can write the stories for films and etc.